rin ako nagkulang with storyboard din, with pre-prod kasi make sure na my pre-visualization is always complete. My shot list, storyboard.
Basically, tinaw namin sa emotions na nararamdaman ng isang couple.
Nag-align lang kami na maayos talaga. Cut! Playback!
Iba kasi yung music video na medium, naka-experience na rin kami before and ito yung first namin after a couple of years. So, familiar kami sa medium and yung preparation niya is basically, listening to the song, reading yung storyboard ni Direk, and a vibes na lang din, alam mo yun? And syempre, of course, we obviously know each other very deeply. Kilala mo ba? Eliza ba?
Man.
So, siguro for me, happy ako pagdadaanin nila yung buong gamot ng emotions.
Hindi na nanaginip makagising
Panoorin niyo yung music video ng Cubs Joe nito, starring Elijah Canlas and Miles Ocampo. Yun lang.